Wow, amazing. This woman, I salute to. Firstly, I was think or thought, is it think or thought? When it came to this, using this, I first think Nigeria is the best. But with what I'm seeing, Nigeria, I'm sorry. With what I'm seeing, guys, Nigeria is learning from where America people is. Using this thing, what is it called? Using this thing, what is it called? Condom. To remove handcuff. Yes, sir. Before I say anything, sorry for let's continue now. Well. Probably some people are saying like this is just a skit that are doing skit, but with what I'm seeing there, me especially with what I'm seeing there, this isn't a skit. Like, but come to think of it, that woman beside, is he sleeping? Is she sleeping? Like, is she truly sleeping? Because me, I don't understand. Is she truly, if truly this isn't a skit, that back to what I'm saying, if truly this isn't a skit, is that woman truly sleeping? What kind of a sleep is that? Till like it get to a point that they even handcuff you yourself. That woman even handcuff you. You are still sleeping. And those people in the front, are they sleeping too? if truly, if truly that they are sleeping, they, like they're supposed to set them on fire. They're supposed to burn them. I don't even know. Mesha?